Hello sailors, welcome to Builderfly Select University. Starting an online business with Builderfly is really quick and easy. To speed up the registration process, now Builderfly lets you register instantly with your mobile number. To build your online store and to start selling online with Builderfly, visit www.builderfly.com and click on Get Started. This will take you to the sign up page. Select the country code and enter your mobile number. Click on Send OTP. You will receive a 6-digit OTP. Enter it here and click Verify. Put your business name here and click Submit. Wait for a few seconds while we are setting up your account. We need a few more details to complete the registration. Choose your business industry and click Next. Select your country and click Next. Enter your full name. Here you can update your email address and update the referral code if available. Once done, click on Complete. And here you go. This is your Builderfly dashboard and you can spend more time exploring it. Follow the link from the details to take a tour to Builderfly dashboard with us for a better understanding of features and functionalities. Please subscribe to Builderfly Select University and hit the bell icon to get notification for our tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.